Hey guys, Heather here, and this week we're going to have a tutorial on writing amazing keyworded Pinterest descriptions and how to do that Pinterest SEO that we all have been told that we need to do. So let's dive right in. So I'm on the platform right now. If I wanted to make a keyworded description for my blog or for a new blog post that I have coming out, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to come to Pinterest. And I'm going to do a little bit of searching to see, okay, what is it that I need to actually keyword after? So if I can get Pinterest to reload here, give me a second. Okay, so, no, might need to edit this out, Katie. All right, so let's dive right in. So creating keyworded descriptions for your new pins on your blog post is really not as hard as it should be, or as people make it sound. Let's go with this right here, for example. This is actually a really great pin. So let's just say this was our pin on our blog and it was new, and we're going to create a new keyworded description for it. So the topic is actually effective systems and processes. So I'm going to write that down really fast so I don't forget. And then what I'm going to do is go to the search bar. I'm going to type in systems and processes. It's really that simple. And then I'm going to see, okay, what keywords come up here at the top. I'm not seeing anything come up for that. So let's type in workflows. So you can see, okay, this is essentially we're in the right place. This is something that I would want to use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring up a little note here, wrong thing, and I'm going to type this in. So it's got to be very conversational. It needs to be really keyworded. So I like to do 3 to 5 long tail keywords for every description and then add in a few relevant hashtags. So I'm going to start with asking a question. Are you looking to create business systems and processes that work for you? Look no further. And then I'm going to go here and I'm going to say, what are these people using? Creating workflows with Trello, what my workflows look like. I like to see what other people are using just because Pinterest can read the text overlay. So I'm going to say online business workflow. Okay, and you can see this pin is popping up again and this one as well. So this is actually a really great place to start. So let's go back to our notepad, create, and I'm going to copy and paste online business workflows that are seamless and allow you to, and then what I'm going to do is go here and type in productivity, because workflows are related to productivity and time management, right? Because you're saving time, you're making the most of your time. So what is my sentence again? I need to make it make sense. Allow you to master your productivity and time. See what that says, management. Yep, that's what I want to do. Does that make sense? And that's a keyword, like if you typed in productivity, you're probably not going to show up at the top of your search. But if you type in productivity and time management, it's really likely that you're going to show up in the top of that search. So we have business systems and processes. We have online business workflows, productivity and time management. And then depending on what you're using to create those workflows, let's say you're using Trello to create those workflows. I'm going to search Trello Workflows and see what comes up. Email management, Trello. You see this pin is showing up here again. Jessica does a really great job apparently with her keywords. Trello, portal, productivity, Trello for influencers, creating workflows. Let's just say we're going to use Trello Workflows to master, like that's what our post is about. So here are my tips on mastering those Trello workflows and getting more done. And now we're going to start with the hashtags. So let's go to hashtag workflow and just see what comes up. That's a keyword. Workflow. Business systems. I bet that's a workflow. Business systems. But that's a hashtag, I mean. See? Business systems, Trello hacks, 4 reasons that your business will improve. We're in the right place. Now, I know for a fact that systems and processes and Trello for business, Trello workflows. I use these hashtags a lot. So that's it, guys. That's how you do SEO research on Pinterest and how you write a killer keyworded description for your blog posts. You want to add in a natural call to action. You want it to be very conversational. And I like to add in 3 to 5 hashtags as well as 3 to 5 long tail keywords in there. So let's dive in, do this right now. Go to Google Analytics, find out what your top 10 posts are for the last 30 days and get those suckers keyworded. It shouldn't take you any more than a half hour to do that, and you will start seeing more traffic to your website. So that's it. If you have any questions or if you want to see anything else related to Pinterest marketing, leave it in the description, leave it in the comments below. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so you get weekly updates on all the new videos that release, and I will see you guys next time.